Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you secret toggles and Dress to Impress you might missed. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to go to the men's area and then I'm going to put on this item for this outfit, and then we can go to the toggles, and as you can see here we have 3 different toggles. I'm going to try the toggle 2. Okay, it looks like this, and I'm going to try the third toggle. Okay, and it's so cool, right? Okay, you can wear this item for the painting theme. Okay, and the second toggle I'm going to show you is, wait, let me take it off. Okay, we can wear this item. I don't know what it is called. And then we can go to the toggle, and you will have 3 different toggles as well here. Okay, and let me try this toggle. Okay, that's so cool, right? I'm going to use the second one. Okay, and then the last toggle I'm going to show you is, wait, I'm going to wear this skirt. Wait, I'm going to take it off and I'm gonna put on this skirt, and we can go to the toggle, and here you will have 3 different toggles as well. Okay, and I'm going to select the second one, and then I'm going to activate the shoulder straps. Okay, and activate the layer, and then this is the final looks. That's so cool. Okay guys, and those are the secret toggles you might miss on Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.